Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine some common expenses that may not be deducted as moving expenses. Taxpayers may not deduct any of the following specifically named items as moving expenses: any part of the purchase price of the new home, car tags, driver's license, the expenses of buying or selling a home, the expenses of entering into or breaking a lease, improvements to the old home in preparation for the sale of the home, loss on the sale of the old home, losses from disposing of memberships in clubs, mortgage penalties, pre-move house hunting expenses, real estate taxes, carpet and draperies, return trips to the former residence, security deposits, including those forfeited during a move, or storage charges, except for those incurred in transit and those associated with foreign moves. Additionally, taxpayers are warned against taking any double deductions during a move. A taxpayer may not take a moving expense deduction and a business expense deduction for the same expense. The individual must decide if the expense is deductible as a moving expense or a business expense. Typically, expenses incurred for travel, meals, and lodging while temporarily working at a place away from the regular place of work are deductible as business expenses. In most cases, work at a single location is considered temporary if it lasts for 1 year or less. If a temporary work location becomes a permanent work location, the taxpayer must use care when deciding which costs are business expenses and which are moving expenses. For further information about business expenses, see IRS Publication 463.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.